Now if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering how you can get results with ClickBank affiliate marketing, like living this kind of tropical lifestyle, as you can see over here behind me. Right? The number one thing is you need to have the offer that's going to work really well. Right? In the high ticket offer, something that's paying really well, at least €100 or $100 or €1,000 or $1,000 per sale, that you can afford actually to have this kind of lifestyle, right? And the results. So you need to have someone to guide you through step by step along the way. Because as you can see, lots of these YouTubers out there are shy guys behind the keyboards, never showing the lifestyle or results that they have in their own life, right? So I'll tell you, if you want to have results, you need to follow someone who has results that you desire, that you want, the lifestyle and freedom of life you want. So as you watch this video, I hope you understand that you need to have someone who will help you along the way and guide you step by step, that you can have this kind of life, right? You can travel around the world, these tropical beaches, swimming pools, hotels, 5 stars, whatever, right? It's all about having someone who will help you along the way. So if you're watching this video, if you want to get results, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video, and below this video going to be links to my social media accounts where you can reach out to me personally and ask me any questions you want in regards to affiliate marketing, ClickBank, or basically generating results and commissions online as an affiliate. Because it's a very important thing to have someone who will basically help you along the way, step by step, and guide you to have basically the life and the results that you want and that you desire as you watch this video right now and listening to my voice, right? So you need to have someone who will help you. You need to have a little bit of time and some money to invest